Whoa! Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we have a interesting video. It is how to beautify the outside of your window using pallet wood. So stay tuned, I will show you. And if the first time you're looking at this channel, guys, if the first time you see me, hit that subscribe button, that red square button, just hit it, and also hit the notification bell because I have some interesting videos coming up. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. Yeah. Woo woo woo. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we have an interesting video. The question is how to pretty your window frame from the out. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I miss you guys, so I gotta give you another vehicle. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have an interesting video. Not vehicles, video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have an interesting video for you. The question is how to